Extreme storms, hotter seasons. With a specialized degree in climate, he's pioneering the way we look at climate and how it affects our weather. Now, climate specialist Jeff Baradelli.
In today's Climate Classroom, a few days ago, the U.S. Supreme Court issued a major ruling on the government's ability to regulate greenhouse gases from power plants. In a 6-3 decision, the court said EPA could not compel power plants to shift away from traditional sources of power like fossil fuels to cleaner sources of power like wind and solar. Now, this is a concern because burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gas pollution, warming the planet and intensifying the effects of climate change. I spoke to my former climate law professor, Michael Gerard at Columbia University, about the impact of this decision.
Does that preclude the EPA from coming up with a new plan?
No, absolutely not. The Supreme Court did not take away EPA's overall power to regulate greenhouse gases. They just said that this one particular method was no good.
Do you feel like the Supreme Court is tying the hands of essentially the government, given that Congress really is having a hard time doing anything at all, let alone passing climate change legislation?
You know, Congress hasn't passed a major new environmental law in 32 years. It has been paralyzed since then. And we are, as you alluded, running out of time to deal with climate change. We need to do everything we can as quickly as we can. It's not helpful for one hand to be tied behind EPA's back.
An opinion poll out today from Yale and George Mason finds that only 14% of voters say the U.S. is doing a good job combating climate change. Now, there is an independent organization that evaluates this kind of thing. The Climate Change Performance Index keeps track of how well countries are doing based upon its greenhouse gas emissions, the amount of renewable energy it has, and the effectiveness of climate policy. Countries like Denmark and the United Kingdom do well, ranking in the top 5, while the U.S., Canada, Russia, and Saudi Arabia fall near the bottom with a very low rating. For more Climate Classroom, visit WFLA.com. Jeff Baradelli, 8 on your side.